It seems like just a short time ago I was standing up here and going, welcome to back to school night. I'm Mrs. Lauder, the new principal here at Story. And we've already spent an entire school year together. It's just amazing. You will be so proud of your students as they leave their grade level. They have worked very hard this year. We've thrown some new challenges at them, and they've met those challenges. So we are very proud to present our awards today. I also want to take a minute to say thank you to our teachers. They have done an awesome job with your students this year, and they feel that they're ready for their next grade levels. Let's give a round of applause to our teachers. They are amazing. All right, this morning, we are going to start with Mrs. Crawford's class. So boys and girls, if she calls your name, you're to come up the stairs on this side, and when you're finished, we're going to exit on that side.